Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nikhil Vasudeva, Rank 1 INICET 2020 November. So today guys I'm in front of you to answer all your queries which I have been getting on Facebook and Instagram and to help you guys and motivate you to crack these exams. I know all the motivation has gone to the ground uh, in these postponement and all of this COVID time, and I hope all of you are safe. So let's get right to it. So, uh, so I'll start off with the preparation strategy for if I was in your place right now. So, the INI CET exam will definitely be conducted before the NEET exam. We are clear on this, right? So, the AIMS exam, AIMS people usually don't delay the exam, so they will conduct the exam before June end. So, don't slack off. The exam is coming soon. It is there in 1.5 months or even less than that. So don't slack off. And the exam date will be announced any day, and you might be caught off guard, and you will be like कि एकदम से डेट बता दिया and this is not fair and all. So get back on track for INI CET. It will happen by June end. I'm not quoting any official sources or I'm not quoting on behalf of AIMS, but take it for granted. Okay. And other than that, regarding the preparation for INI CET, all my interviews, all the videos I have made previously with all the institutions and YouTubers, I have highlighted all the points, previous year questions, your clinical notes, all your medicine surgery notes, which you had made, and pediatrics notes, which you had made in your clinical postings as well as which you have made in your internship. Those notes, and along with that, you should be well versed with the COVID algorithms which we have been publishing at the Department of Medicine at AIMS. So be well versed with them. Questions will come from them definitely. It's I saw a post on Facebook that question paper A will be set long back. What should we follow and this and that. So question paper can be changed overnight, and the the guideline which has come today will come in the exam. A gene which has been discovered 2 months back can come in the exam. So don't be, don't take the examiners for granted that they will not, take the most updated information. कुछ कोविड में अगर चेंज हुआ है then yes, it will be the most recent information without a doubt. There is no doubt about that. So you have to be well versed with COVID management and all these drugs, and like even the new drugs which have been coming up. So that's there regarding the preparation for INI CET. If you have any other doubts regarding INI CET, because I'm making a brief video, I will not elaborate all the points right now. You can ask them in the comments. I will try to make a video on it in future. So and regarding NEET preparation, so guys, I think whoever is preparing for NEET should first prepare for INI CET, which is the standing, which is right there in front of you. So prepare for INI CET, give all in, prepare for do all the previous year questions, all the high yield topics which you find for INI CET. Do all those. There is a good chunk of seats in INI CET. Don't just brush it off कि यार INI CET या एम्स या PGI तो बड़े लोगों का होगा, है ना, तो हम तो छोटे लोग हैं, हम तो पढ़ते नहीं हैं, this and that. Don't go after that. Just do it. You will definitely benefit. Revise all this stuff, collect this stuff at one place, the previous year questions, your notes, and everything, every new updated guidelines, collect them at one place, revise them, and your weakest 3 subjects in the last 10 days. You have to, this is a lot to revise, along with whatever is going on with your revision. These things are a must to revise, along with whatever subjects you have decided to revise in the last 10 days or 15 days or so. Okay, so next, I was talking about NEET. So yes, you should definitely prepare for NEET, for INI CET. Whoever is preparing for NEET, you will definitely benefit in NEET. NEET is a bit less heavy on previous year questions. The previous year questions are more frequently asked, or previous year topics are more frequently asked in INI CET. So the paper differs there a bit. So NEET preparation में the INI-CET will help you a lot, but for NEET you need to have a lot of information. So you have to, once you have revised all the important topics from your notes for INI-CET, you can go back to revising your whole notes for NEET. So you see you have to do a lot for NEET. So start by making a basic step, prepare for INI-CET. थोड़ा कम है, आई नो क्वेश्चंस कैन कम इन INI-CET भी, बहुत जगह से क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं वहाँ पे भी, बट फिर भी थोड़ा एक सेंटर्ड अप्रोच है कि दिस विल कम, दिस माइट कम, दिस एरिया विल बी कवर्ड इन INI-CET. बट इन नीट यू हैव थोड़ा ये लाइंस ब्लर हो जाती हैं, तो इस वजह से आपको बहुत सारा पढ़ना है. तो इन द टाइम बीइंग डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम, prepare for INI-CET. It's another exam. It will motivate you to another milestone to pass in your life. And it will help you to get back on track for preparation for NEET as well. You are seeing कि यार NEET 4 महीने बाद होने वाला है, बट यू आर नॉट सीइंग दैट कि 1.5 महीने बाद पहले INI-CET होने वाला है, उसके बाद मेरे पास 2 महीने भी मुश्किल से बचेंगे NEET के लिए. You are not getting in this. Very few people will be in this mindset, and they will definitely do good in both the exams, but many of the people will not be in this mindset. So that's there. So guys, this is meant to be a brief video, and I want ideas from you guys only. Ki what should I do? What should I inculcate in my videos? What do you guys want? So you can be helped in the best possible way. So see you guys. You can drop any queries you have in the comments, or you can DM me directly on Instagram.